Well, hello guys, this is Rusty Glovebox here, and have you ever seen a little gas can that's got these little yellow vents on there? I tell you what, just hang on just a minute and I'm going to show you how to install them. I got some new gas cans and I've been meaning to do this modification to them. I'm sure y'all have seen it. But anyway, I've got some of these little vent caps, and you just drill a 1/2-inch hole, push it in, and then you've got your little cap that you can fold it over and block it off. Like I said, I've got a couple of new cans and one existing can that I had never done this to, and so I wanted to get this done before I filled them up. So let's check it out and see how this works. Well, what I did, I just drilled it off to the side of this seam here. Earlier. And you just want to make sure that you're above your 5-gallon mark, because you don't want to fill it up and then have the fuel level way up here or something like that. So anyway, I just take my 1/2-inch drill bit and it zips a hole in there right quick. And you'll want to kind of look at the hole there, see if it needs any attention, if it needs deburring or anything. But anyway, you just take it, push it right in there, quick as that, and you're good to go. Well, now all three of our cans, we've got our little vent on there. So looks like we're ready to go get some gas. Well, hey guys, I tell you what, adding that vent makes all the difference on those gas cans, and I know that I'm gonna really enjoy using those cans and not be such a little frustrating event every time. But anyway, I hope y'all find that useful. Thanks for coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.